Hi, my name is Otis. So there is a story being told about Igbanke, one that distorts history, identity, and heritage. A story built not on truth, but on colonial oversight and political agendas. It's being circulated in the social media just for us to rewrite our history. Let's be clear. Igbanke is not a creation of the Benin Kingdom. And it's certainly wasn't built in 1937. That narrative is both historically inaccurate and disrespectful to the people of Igbanke. And Igbanke predates colonial records. The so-called intelligence report of 1937 that is being circulated in social media, that was a colonial administrative document by a British officer, not a birth certificate. Igbanke existed long before British mapping, supported by oral history and archaeological evidence. So you don't have to tell us our story. So to suggest otherwise is to erase generations of heritage and community. I hear that every time, and I think it is time for every one of us to speak up. The title of Enogie in Igbanke was never indigenous. It was a colonial imposition, a convenient administrative tool borrowed from the Benin system. But convenience does not equal cultural truth. We just have to go back to our history. Igbanke had its own leadership traditions. It still does. It still does. We've been painted as people who are searching for identity. That's absolutely wrong. Paying homage doesn't mean you are owned. Throughout Africa, smaller communities paid homage to larger kingdoms due to politics or power. That never changed their ethnic roots. Igbanke may have been caught in that system, but it never lost itself. Never lost itself. Igbanke is a confluence of cultures. It's a borderland, a trading hub, and a multicultural gem. Its dialects, customs, and festivals are distinct, rooted in IGBO heritage, not Benin. To reduce that richness to Benin territory is to miss the point entirely. We just have to understand this. History is not just about documents. It's about people. And the people of Igbanke proudly identify with their AKURI roots. They are not Benin. They have said it clearly, consistently, and confidently. And we keep repeating it. No outsider has the right to rewrite Igbanke's story. No outsider have the right to rewrite our story. Rewriting Igbanke's history to fit a narrative is not just wrong, it is harmful. True history respects complicities, context, and the voice of the people themselves. Igbanke was not created in 1937. That narrative is wrong. It wasn't founded by Benin, and its identity is not for sale. Well, you've heard me. I'm a student of history. I'm willing to learn. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let the truth be heard. Thank you.
Onoudo na AKURI, Adam na children, Afa Okere, Ijebu, Ude na farm. That one na Ije Dirose. Onoudo na AKURI, Adam na twin. AKURI na Onoudo na Onoudo na AKURI. They are the children of IGBO. Means fame, that is IGBO. Onoudo na AKURI, they are twins. Onoudo na AKURI. Now Igbanke, Ika na Mandana, Wado